Now, you know I came here to deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Okay, listen, all right? When I tell you Dollar Tree, they stepping up for you and me. You seen these? So this is the shower pads. Honey, look at Dollar Tree being fancy, okay? So, you get the little scrubby thing right here, all right? And then you get the little softer pad. This is $1.25. Can we just say still deal like Holyfield? Can we just say it? Can we just say still deal like Holyfield? Let's see what else they have. Okay, so first up they have these are cute, really nice. All right, so this is pretty much how they look. Almond shaped artificial nails, really cute. Glue not included, so you definitely gonna have to get your own glue. 12 pieces for $1.25. Now I don't know why they have this here. I don't think they're supposed to be there, but anywho, they also have this. Now these look really cute. Okay, these petite nails, I absolutely love the size of these. They don't have a lot going on. Really nice. Love this. $1.25. And then they also have, oh, this is the same set. Somebody done put that up there, child. They also have these nails right here with the French tips. Okay, almond shape, and 12 almond shaped nails for $1.25 as well. Really cute, and get into it and do it. All right, now they also have the pastel pearl. All right, so you could get fancy mancy and put these on your nails. Okay, honey, who's gonna check you? No one. All right, they also have this pearl color, the blue. Okay, so I guess the pink, it goes with this color nails. And then they also have the blue pastel, and look what it says, get the look, child. So it has one sheet, and then they also have the blue, $1.25. And then they also have the LA Colors nail bar, gems, and nail polish. Now, a few months ago, I had seen that they had the nail polish, but they had the nail polish with the nail file. Okay, so honey, get into Dollar Tree the way they do. All right, so the colors they have are New Octoberry, all right, Beach Bunny, Beach Side, Beach Babe, Aquaholic, honey, Oyster Bay, West Coast. Okay, and then they also have these. Oh, these are cute. All right, this is Treasure Hunt, Fairy Tale. Okay, Vitamin C, honey, Vitamin C, Seashell Gem, Horizon, Glitter to My Heart, Naughty Sparkle, Magnetic Magic. Okay, and then they also have some down at the bottom. And all of these has, all right, wait, so these over here, they only have the nail file. Okay, now these at the bottom, they have the white gold, which comes with the pearls. Oh, this is really nice. I like this. Okay, and then they also have this one, this pink looking one that has the pearls as well. They also have this color. This one is, honey, don't get me the lion, okay? Is this one, okay? All right. They also have the Sun Kissed. I think this is in the wrong spot. Heating Up, okay, in the wrong spot. Seize the Day. I know that's right. Spirit of the Sea. And then also Deep End. This purple is given. Okay, this purple is given, honey, especially for the toes, because you know it's about to be summertime. Summertime. Let's go. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand that your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today I am at Fairview, New Jersey, heading inside the Dollar Tree. Message for you today is this. Honey, when people show you who they are, do believe them. Okay? Now you getting upset because you felt like this person has lied to you, right? But they haven't lied to you once. This is an ongoing thing that they keep on lying to you. One, I want you to consider this. Don't take it personal. Because before they lie to you, guess who they lied to themselves. And it's not personal. See, they don't only lie to you. They lie first to themselves. They lie to others. And they lie to you as well. I want you to get so active and busy that you start changing your perception. You start doing the thing that you know you need to do in order for you to have that car, that house, that relationship. I need you to do those things. So this morning, first off, my oldest son was supposed to take me to the laundry, okay? And, we spoke, he said he was coming and all this other stuff, right? And at first I found myself getting a little irritable because I was like, why would he say he's going to come and then every time it's like an excuse or something? So one of the things that I did was I took accountability. Okay. Well, Dina, you could have took a left. Okay. That's one. And then two, I also start thinking that, all right, what could you do about your situation? Okay. I could upload videos. I could make content. Okay. And earn enough money whereas though I buy my own vehicle. Okay. And so always remember that there is a solution for everything that you have going on within yourself, okay? I am here to tell you, Dollface, I am here to tell you that, Sugarfoot, because there is a solution. I don't care what it looked like. I don't care what people may have claimed or said. Listen, there's a solution to everything that you got going on within yourself, okay? All right, now let's go inside the Dollar Tree and see what they have for you and me. Let's go. Okay, family, so Dollar Tree has some new pastel pearl LA Colors artificial nail tips. Now, I don't know if I just walked past these last time I was up in here or if they just put these out and just the customers just start buying them up. Okay, honey, you want to check this out. Get into it, and we officially finna do it. Let's go. Now, if you're a person that's looking for some cosmetic bags, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be, okay? And you know I'm Dina, the fabulous MC, okay? Believe you can, child, get into it. When the universe is speaking, honey, it's nothing for me to do but to be quiet, okay? All right, this is $1.25. Absolutely love this. Not only do I like the bag, but I also love the saying that's on the bag, okay? They also have this bag right here that says peas. These are cute. Happy. I love the neon colors, okay? They also have one that says smile. All right. And then they also have some that's on a, oh, I thought these was on a plain Jane side. But they not. They also have this one that says shine. This is cute with the green. Honey, you guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have the one that says love. Absolutely love this. Really, really cute. Have you seen this? What is it? You said you seen it. What is this? All right, listen, Sugarfoot. Dollar Tree has some steal deals for real trails, okay? Definitely is going to have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets, okay? We jumping straight into it, and we just gonna have to do it, okay? Let's go. All right. First up, Dollar Tree has this LA Colors highlighter, illuminator, beauty wand, okay, shimmer highlighter, all right? So this is pretty much a highlighter. I guess it's like almost like a blush or something, okay? Blendable and buildable highlighter to spotlight your features. Convenient sponge tip is easy to use, and the liquid gel formula is long wearing. Okay, so this is $1.25. They also have and this one is called Tempting. They also have one that says Luscious, right? And this is more so on a pink color, as you guys can see. This is $1.25 as well. And then they also have one that says Frisky, okay, and this is $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree also have this liquid felt tip eyeliner by Ayani. All right, felt tip liquid eyeliner. This is $1.25, and I don't know if they have this like in a certain section, but it don't look like it's supposed to be over here, so we're gonna be on the lookout for that. They also have this, oh child, speak to me nice, this eyeshadow right here, loose eyeshadow, $1.25. This is really, really cute. I absolutely love this. This comes with the brush, and honey, you guys know gold is my thing. All right, and they have a few of these colors. I absolutely love these colors. They have gold. They also have radiant. They also have lollipop. Okay, really, really cool. Love this. They also have the purple grape jelly. Nice. And I think that's about it, child. These are cute though, really nice. All right, listen, family, Dollar Tree, you're not gonna believe what they have. You're not. I was walking, I said, oh my goodness, these are so cute. Look at this. Okay, so this is the antibacterial honey. It's them putting it in a mini bottle for me, okay? Now, you get 20 wipes, honey wildflower scent, okay, the yellow one, $1.25. Gel. And look, with the little, so you could put it on your bag. Honey, Dollar Tree is really doing it for you and me. All right, then they also have this one as well, the green and fresh morning breeze. Honey, I was looking at these and the lady said, what is that? I said, oh, hand wipes, right? Honey, my first time seeing these. Now, this is the larger bottle, and I absolutely love these. Okay, these are $1.25. Okay, and you get 50. Yes, Linda, you heard me. You get 50. Okay, 50 wipes. Okay, and the smaller ones, okay, you get 25. All right, so that's a still deal like Holyfield. Let's check them out. Now, Dollar Tree has these mirrors. I think these mirrors are cute, okay? These are $1.25 handheld mirrors, okay? And then they also have the table mirrors. And then they also have these ginormous standing mirrors, all for $1.25. I think these would really be good, especially if they had like a LED light on here so you could do your makeup and stuff. I think that would be really, really amazing. But, honey, that does not have the LED lights on it, okay? So these are the mirrors. Absolutely love these. Okay, so Dollar Tree still has the lash bar over here. Okay, they have a few lashes left. I don't see any that I would be too much interested in, but they also have the wildflowers over here, the lip colors, the lip balm, the eyeliners. Really, really cute. The lip crayons. I absolutely love these, the way they have them. Really nice. And then the lip plumpers. Now, if you're a person that's looking for like the different design socks, Dollar Tree definitely have them. South Park, look at this. I do what I want. E.T., who remember E.T. Go Home? They also have Shrek, Sesame Street. Ooh, child, love this yellow. It is giving. They also have some more Sesame Street, Dragon Ball Z, Batman. Let me see, Rick and Morty. Okay, really, really cute. They also have Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, some more Batman, Sonic, Scooby-Doo. Okay, Rice Krispies, Pop-Tarts, York. Honey, whatever it is that you are looking for when it comes to these socks, honey, they got them. Okay, so this is a new item that I am seeing at Dollar Tree, the dual cup holder expander. This is $5, and pretty much I guess it expands the cup. They also have all these tools over here. All right, and one of the things that I absolutely love when it comes to Dollar Tree, that they have some tools that's not $5, that, you know, is $1.25, some of the tools, but like these electric screwdrivers, this is so good for $5, honey. That is a steal deal like Holyfield. And then they also have the ratchet screwdriver socket set, which is $5 for 40 pieces. Really. Now, Dollar Tree also have these lanterns up here, gold and also black. And I believe these are $5. Yeah, metal lanterns. These are $5 like these. Really cute. These are $5 as well. So, if you're a person that's looking for some spring decor, don't worry, child. You know I got you. Let me see. Decor, living in spring. Living for spring life. Okay, this is really, really cute, the camper. They also have these pots over here, flowers and garden. They also have this welcome spring garden flag, which is $1.25. Absolutely love it. Honey, I feel summer. Okay, I see myself getting out of my brand new car. Okay, see it. You got to see it for yourself, Linda. They also have this decorative garden bell, okay, which is $1.25. Really, really cool. Honey, come on, you're going to have to turn back around, okay? Really, really nice. Pots, whatever it is that you need for your garden, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They also have these flower vase with 6 holes, removable top for easy cleaning, 6 holes for flowers, lightweight and durable, okay? $1.25. Honey, hummingbird feeders, $1.25 as well. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing a thing for you and me. You get what I'm saying? They just doing it. All right, love bugs. Listen, new product alert. You listening? Honey, check them out. You want to check this video out, okay? Dollar Tree really ain't playing. And you know there's words to the mother. Check them out. Okay, so I love the gold. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these hair pins and hair clips by Be Pure. This is absolutely beautiful. I like this. They also have these hair pins over here. Okay, really, really cool. Love this. And some more hair pins. They have some more down at the bottom. The Spazzy Dazzy Boodazzle. Okay, really, really cute. Nice. And these are bridal hair collections, but honey, you can use these whenever your heart desire, okay? And then you guys know I absolutely love the elastic 20 pieces for $1.25. Honey, that is really a steal deal. Dollar Tree is really moving their feet to the beat when it comes to, look at this, snap clips, okay? $1.25. Absolutely love this. Really cute, honey. When the last time you've been to Dollar Tree? I advise you to come to Dollar Tree and be in a place to be, okay? Because they moving their feet to the beat, and I'm okay with it. All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, okay? Honey, that's only if you feeling a vibe. I don't want to pressure you into anything. Of course not, okay? Honey, Dollar Tree. Honey, you doing a big one, okay? They doing a big one for you and me, okay, Linda? And this person, I don't even think she watching. Where she going? Chill. Ooh. All right. With that being said, I love you guys and catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day today. If not, do understand and get, honey, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree on 49th Street. Okay, let's see what they have inside for you and me. Okay, let's go.